airBaltic de-icing team or ground service team is a part of technical department. We provide aircraft anti-icing service and also aircraft external cleaning as a part of essential operational procedures. We cover aircraft anti-icing and external cleaning needs tailored to the entire airBaltic fleet. Additionally, we offer our specialized services to other enterprises within Riga International Airport, where our station is located. Our capabilities in 2024 are vehicles, 5 de-icing trucks, 3 Elephant MY, and 2 Safe Aero 220 that allows us to ensure minimum of 2 trucks per 1 aircraft. We also have plans to expand our de-icing fleet to keep pace with the company's strategic growth and meet the increasing demand. Our team is comprised of over 20 professionals. Some of them have more than 10 years of experience in aviation. Our de-icing fluid facility at the station has a capacity exceeding 150,000 liters to ensure uninterrupted service during peak operational periods. We also conduct maintenance works of the trucks at our base, which is equipped with the required tools. We uphold and conduct regular trainings in compliance with the requirements to ensure our team's expertise and adherence to industry standards. We are available 24 hours, 7 days a week, providing service whenever it is required. airBaltic is a member of de-icing. Safety, quality, and efficiency are our top priorities, which we are committed to, ensuring that quality assurance and control are rigorously implemented across all operations. Maintaining our strong position in the market, we continue our development and growth path, envisioning even broader array of the future perspectives. Thank you for your attention.